This is going to be the first time I've used my Christmas present, a dolce gusto. Step 1, in the slot. Step 2, in the slot. Step 3, down the hatch. Step 4, that. Step 5. I'm up to 5. Have you unplugged it?
Yeah. You unpick that pumpy up.
Sorry.
Next step.
Sorry.
Slow coat.
That's all I get out of one
Are
capsule.
you joking? You've got to put the milk one in now.
Wait, what's
Find
the milk
your milk one. Oh, you have never made one of these before, have you?
I don't have a milk one, it's just this.
Yeah, there's a white and a brown one.
Oh, shit!
Right.
Which one did I put
Pull
in?
it out.
Which one did I
Put
put
it
in?
in the bin.
I put brown one in.
Yeah, you put the chocolate in. Now you need to put the
Whoa,
milk
I
in.
didn't even know that's what that was.
My mum's not really happy if she sees that.
Fine. I'm actually so excited for this. Bet it tastes like crap. Am I just drinking a hot chocolate here?
I know, a caramel
A
one.
caramel hot chocolate? Ugh. Well, that does look lovely, I'm not gonna lie. That does look pretty. Do I stir it now?
I would.
Yeah, me too. Time for a taste test. It smells like caramel. Taste. I don't taste anything.
You're just drinking the froth.
Yeah,
weirdo.
yeah, I'm just drinking the fluff. No! It just tastes like chocolatey water.
Is it?
Not a fan. You basic ass bitch, dolce, gusto, cappuccino and caramelino. This is the good stuff right here. You want a hot chocolate, you use this. Look, we even bought it in bulk. It's that good. Not even nice, is it? What do you think of it? Was it?
Burn it on my tongue.
Right, today we're attempting to make sushi. We have miso soup, so we can have that for starters, remember. Got our rolling mats. We've got our sushi nori, roasted seaweed, which goes steps. Goes like this. Roll it out, you put the seaweed down, you put the rice on top, which we've got in the rice cooker.
Oh, depends what you make.
Look at this. You just roll it on up like that. I'm actually quite excited to do this. Look at us trying new things. Ooh.
I've hit the label already.
Fine. Lydia's got the rice ready. Ooh, sticky rice. Oh wow, that looks really good. You peel your avocado. I'm about to lay the shit down. All right, so I've got. She's really stressing about this peeling of avocado-ness. I thought you scrape it out of an avocado. Apparently now. Oh, this rice is sticky. Bloody hell. I'm gonna lay out a layer of rice on top of it.
We missed a vital step.
What was the vital step, Lydia?
You have to put water in your hands so it doesn't stick to your hands.
Really? Well, that'd have been useful to know like 5 seconds ago.
Well, you just went for it. You put well too much rice on.
I thought that as well.
Yeah, it's well too much.
Well, this is my sushi, and I like rice. There's at least an entire sushi roll stuck to my fingers.
Oh.
But look, and I can't get it off because when I try scraping it off, it keeps getting stuck to the other finger.
Did you use all the rice in that bowl? For one sushi roll? That's all you're making then?
Why?
Unless you want to cook more rice. Yeah, I'm not cooking you anymore. You had half. That's my bowl. Hands off.
Look at that. Managed to salvage it. Looks absolutely solid. Then what I need to do is follow the next step, which is partway into it like there. I've then got to put one layer. So it's going to go cucumber, chicken, guacamole. I'm truly not convinced that this avocado isn't gone off because look, I thought avocado was soft, but like this is kind of hard. So I'm not exactly sure about that one. Can you not resist either? I ate half my chicken as well. Right, so all I've got to do... Oh, shit. Do you know what I've just noticed?
What?
I've laid it out wrong. The roll's this way. I have to try and rotate it. Oh, God. Oh, God. My name's Tom.
You've already put some soy on.
This
Bloody
is...
hell.
It's dry chicken, so I'm flavouring it. This is a Syndicate... What flavour's this? Chicken.
Spicy Syndicate roll.
This is a spicy sing soy Syndicate roll. Right,
Why sing soy?
Because it's mine.
Oh, okay.
Right, you ready? Right, so how do I do it? Do you just roll it like
I'll
that?
just roll it.
Like that? Is this how you do it? Is this how you do it?
You didn't watch the YouTube tutorial, did you? You've wrapped your bamboo mat into it.
Well, I thought that was wrong.
What are you doing?
Why did you just stop it?
What are you doing? What have you done?
Why didn't you say something? God. Saved it. What am I supposed to do?
You meant to Do you want to watch a YouTube? Do you want to pause and watch a YouTube
No.
video?
No, don't.
Hold your thing. Yeah. Okay. And now, yeah, get rid of your mat when you. Yeah. Now press it in. Hold it all in. Keep your mat on.
What am I doing with the mat?
The mat keeps it closed. Yeah. 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 Closed. I meant like close.
Oh my god, this is the flattest fucking roll I've ever seen in my life. Right, then what do you do?
Hold it. Shimmy it all in.
Ah. Yes! Arigato gozaimasu. So that's about the size of a normal roll. Let's go ahead and look at the size of mine. What the right, maybe I just need to trim the ends off. All right, show me how it's done then. Oh, yours looks like really professional and nice and thin. Yep. Yeah. I see what you're doing. I'm picking up what you're putting down. Oh, bit of a mistake. She's struggling. You can tell you've done this before. Wait, how many have you managed to make? I made that many. You made them for small people. I made them for men. For my next batch of rolls, oh, you better be impressed. Laid out a thinner amount of rice. Got down some seaweed, rice. I've got crab sticks on a light layer of soy. Yep. Inside the roll. I've then got some cucumber at the back. Crab stick filled with prawn. Lift it up and over like that.
Yeah. Cover your stuff. Roll it, hold in with the mat. Really push it.
Kinda.
You can put it back in the mat and yeah, shimmy it up out like really, really grip it. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I didn't think about squeezing it all together like that.
Yeah.
And now I've got fresh cut line marks.
Excited. Happy dance. Sushi dance.
Prawn break. I think it's safe to say we've done a pretty good job. Now, first of all, this is mine. We've got, oh crap, I forgot the name I made up with. The tomasu roll in the middle with chicken, avocado, cucumber. We've then got the fish rolls, which has got prawns and crab meat in it. And just for the record, look at, that might be perfect.
Yeah,
that
really
actually came out really good. They got a bit thin towards the end, but don't worry about it. And then I went for a bit of salmon on some rice. So I thought that was a nice little thing. But Lydia, what have you made?
I tried to make your favourite for you.
Californian roll.
California roll. Does it look anything like one? I don't know whether it was
The
gone
world's
off or not.
smallest bit ever, yeah.
And then these 7 things.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Should we try it? Let's do this. Yeah, then the thing that sucks is that we don't have chopsticks to eat the sushi with, so Lydia came up with the idea of... And then do you want to show mine?
Well, I only have one pair of cooking ones. You got barbecue ones.
I have barbecue-sized chopsticks, which I am actually gonna eat my sushi with. So, without further ado, dip it in my soy. Looking good. All right. That was very fishy. Very fishy. Oh, no word of a lie. This is actually really good. Like, I'm very, very impressed with mine. These are like the perfect little snack size. Whereas this one compared to that one. Look at the size difference. Absolutely ridiculous. However, it tastes really goddamn good. I think it's safe to say I'm full.
How many have you had?
6.
Hey, well done.
I'm so full.
quite a lot.
Look at how much we've got left. And I'm already full. This was a good haul. We did a pretty good job, to be honest.
Have you eaten one of your salmon ones?
I didn't think we were gonna have enough because I used all that rice up the first time. What would you give yourself out of 10? Oh yeah. Oh wow, yeah. Oh yeah, totally get what you're saying. Yeah, totally.
I can't really call myself a sushi connoisseur.
Yeah.
Because I don't really love sushi, so I don't eat it very often.
Yeah.
And when I go to a sushi place, I order all the tempura stuff.
Yeah.
so
When we go
I
to like
order
Yo
all the
Sushi and stuff like
hot
that.
stuff. I like the hot
Well,
stuff more than the
Try
rolls.
mine then. Okay, so this is my prawn and crab
This is the one that you went,
roll.
oh, it's fishy.
Yeah, this is the one that I went, oh, it's fishy.
Well, I like it.
Yeah, I think you'll love it actually. I think it's really nice. Wow, good job.
What?
You smack your teeth.
Ah.
I'm not going to affect the score. Oh,
Sushi.
it is fishy, innit? Told you.
Cucumber.
Ooh. I'm getting voted down here. What have I got in total?
Cucumber.
What am I getting? Ooh. That's a pondering face if I've seen one. Very pondering. Be harsh. Be a critic. Break it down. Don't like the cucumber. Was a bit too fishy.
7.
7! Why did I lose marks? Why was I not a 10 out of 10?
It was very fishy.
It was, wasn't it? Why do you think it was? The fish, the stick? The prawns?
I think you put the prawns in. They're not real prawns. They're like little mini prawns.
Yeah.
So I think you can only put like proper prawns in sushi.
I've already tried yours and I'd give you a 10.
No, you wouldn't. They're not 10 out of 10 though.
Cooking sushi was good fun. Eating sushi was great fun. But cleaning up after sushi? No, not so fun. But yes, it's time to feed Steve, so I'll give in Steve some greens. I don't know what he's got on his nose, but I'll get in some greens and some fresh water. Now eat up, my friend. Get fit. Hey! What are you doing? What are you actually doing? Seriously? Steve, are you okay? Steve looks fine. No, watch out for that bulb. Out you come. You fucking idiot of a cat. Oh my God, you're full of sand. Get in. Oh God. You alright, mate? Sorry about that, dude. Forgot to close the bloody door. You look like the naughtiest cat in the world. I can't believe you managed to get in there. How many months have you been trying to do that? And I've stopped you from doing it and I bloody caught you. The crazy thing is, I was about to just go upstairs and start streaming. If I would have done that, I never would have known the cat was in there. And like the cat and Steve, Gadsby's got a name. Gadsby and Steve like get along sometimes, but sometimes they like proper fight. So like, it could have. What are you doing? Oi, what are you doing? Leave him alone, Jesus. If I maybe wouldn't have seen that, he could have killed Steve. Like, no joke, don't get me wrong. Like, I keep saying, like, Gadsby's a really friendly cat. He is, but like, it's a cat. He'll just keep play fighting and keep play fighting and keep play fighting to the point where he'll bloody kill Steve and then be like, oh, it's not moving. I guess I'm bored now and walk away. But thank God I noticed that. If I wouldn't have noticed that, man, that could have been some trouble right there. Oh, we playing some Fortnite. We've been making sushi today, and now we're playing some Fortnite. Look at this hype. Look at this hype wall. Look at everyone. Oh, well, people are giving me a bit of rips because I kind of just lost my game, but look at that. Beautiful. All right, so this is a bit of a change of plans now for the night. I was just streaming, and Lydia's grandma's been rushed in an ambulance to hospital. She's an older woman. She's like 90 plus years old. I couldn't tell you exactly what's wrong with her right now. They're waiting for the doctors to speak to him and stuff, but Lydia's all the way at Salford Hospital with her sisters and her mum, and they don't know how long they're going to be. So I'm going over there now to be with them, and then I'll be like Lydia's drive home as well, but I'm taking them some snacks and stuff like that whilst they're waiting. But yeah, they said that a grandma was trying to talk but couldn't put together like a full sentence, was like slurring her words almost, and it just wasn't making like full English sense. So they kept trying her and she just got worse and worse and worse. So they rang an ambulance and they've rushed her to hospital. So that's where I'm going now. So positive vibes, man. I made it. I don't think I've ever been to this hospital before. Either I have with my sister when she broke her back, but I have no idea where I am, where the ward is, or anything. So found a signpost. Salford Royal. Emergency Department Hope. Okay, now I need to find out where Lydia is. 91 years old. And she is MMA fighting her way out of the bed. Like, legit. Within the 20 minutes I was there.
Strongest lady I know.
Oh my God, she went from just, like, being just so, like, kind of out of it on the bed, but to then, like, punching your mum in the face, which you're all laughing at. Like, she was, like, proper swinging for a mum and stuff like that in a nice way. But honest to God, I say this to you, I've never seen someone like so, like, fighter, absolute fighter. It just always makes me sad. Because I saw it with my granddad, and it's just sad. Life is too short, man.
No, it's not. She's 91.
All right, life's long in that case.
Good job.
Oh, that sushi we made was so filling. What's that drink you've got, Lydia? Where are we right now? Nearly 3 o'clock. in the morning and we at the drive-thru. Yes. Yes? No? Yes. No? Yes? Yes. So with the positive vibes, Lydia's grandma went in and was just really down and out sort of thing. She couldn't talk, she wasn't really moving much or anything like that. It was like really bad. But they put her on an IV drip and everything, and she's really like perked up a lot, and they've taken her off the emergency ward and put her onto just a normal ward now. So it's all looking good, but you know, at the same time, she's a really, really old woman, so it's a really difficult situation, to be honest. And they said, like, we can give your grandma, like, because she keeps fidgeting, it's like, listen, we can give her something to like relax her, and then we can scan her to like see what's going on with her, like scan her head. But the thing is that the medicine that we might give her may just like put her to sleep too much, that she could pass away while she's like in that sort of like state. So they all decided not to go ahead with that and just like let kind of nature take its course. But she's fighting fit, she's rocking and rolling, and she's a true champion. Like I said, when me and Lydia met like a year ago, almost a year now, when we first got talking, we actually thought our grandma was going to pass away. Like, it was really sad. Like, I was like driving them around to like you know, they were off to the hospital all the time with her and stuff like that, and we really thought she was going to pass away. It was like so fucking sad. And now it's like a year later, this is going on again. So the fact that it's been a whole year since that is crazy. So it might be another whole year until she has her next visit to the hospital, and she's still absolutely fine as well. But I've got to wrap up today's vlog here, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, then make sure you leave a like rating, subscribe. I know that sounds weird, doesn't it, saying leave a like rating after talking about like what happened at the end of the day. But like I say, positive vibes around here. Life is too short. You've got to make the most of it. From sushi to just absolute family chaos. It's, you know, what happens in the life of Tom, really. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at 6 p.m. for the next daily vlog, or 6 p.m.-ish. I think we need to start saying 6 p.m.-ish. I think that's a fair thing to say. We're gonna start saying from now on 6 p.m.-ish. But yeah, I'll be streaming on Twitch. So guys, down in the description, link will be there. Twitch.tv/Syndicate. Can be streaming from. Oh, I might be streaming like 10 o'clock tonight because I'm going seeing Ready Player One, and I cannot wait. We're going to see an early screening of it. So I'm gonna go. Much love. Follow me on Twitter @ProSyndicate, and I'll just tweet out if I'm streaming or not. But I have to go now. I have to get the vlog edited and uploaded, and I'll catch you guys later. All right? Much love. Adios.